Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Walmart Marketplace with Shopify for online dropshipping scaling, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Walmart Marketplace. From the search results, select the Walmart Marketplace app. Click on the Add App button to install it. You will be directed to your Shopify admin page. Click on Install App to proceed with the installation. After installation, you'll need to create a Walmart Marketplace seller account. Visit the Walmart Marketplace website to start the registration process. Fill in the required business information, including your name and email. Upload any necessary documentation for verification purposes. Once your account is created, await approval from Walmart. You will receive an email confirming your seller account approval. Return to your Shopify account and open the Walmart Marketplace app. Sign in using your Walmart seller credentials. Authorize the app to access your Walmart account. Next, configure your settings within the Walmart Marketplace app. Set your shipping options, payment methods, and return policies. Ensure your product inventory is updated on Shopify. Select the products you wish to sell on Walmart Marketplace. Sync these products to Walmart by clicking on the Sync button. Monitor the synchronization process for any potential errors. Once synced, check for product listings in your Walmart seller dashboard. Adjust any product details as needed to optimize listings. Set competitive prices to attract buyers on Walmart Marketplace. Regularly update your inventory levels to avoid overselling. Track your sales performance using the Walmart dashboard in Shopify Analytics. Respond promptly to customer inquiries for better service ratings. Continuously evaluate your business strategies to enhance growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.